Since not all pellet fuel is created equal, it's important to understand what you are getting. Generally speaking, hardwood pellets and pellets that contain bark have a higher ash content than softwood pellets. We recommend trying various brands before purchasing multi-ton quantities. Daily use of the pellet stove is very easy. It's as simple as setting the temperature you want the room to be on the thermostat and walking away. You can adjust the dial control on the stove to increase or decrease the amount of heat the stove will produce. But until the temperature you set on the thermostat is met, the stove will keep operating. During normal operation, the stove will automatically turn itself down and increase the blower speed to blow ash out of the burn pot, ensuring the most efficient burn possible. This happens every hour, at least for 90 seconds. Once the desired room temperature is reached on the thermostat, or you turn the dial to off on the stove will go into a shutdown sequence. The feed motor will shut off and the blower will turn up. The blower will remain on until the exhaust has cooled. This can take up to 15 minutes. If you have the dial control in one of the heat output settings and the thermostat calls for heat during a shutdown sequence, the stove will need to complete the shutdown before it can relight. Be sure to reference the owner's manual for detailed instructions and troubleshooting questions.